Okay, just got the Nespresso, got it all set up. From the little candy choices, I chose this one, which is Columbia. It's got a level 5 caffeine level. I put a little bit of almond milk in here. I have no idea if that's too much or what. What says max? Okay, so good thing I stopped there. All right, and I'm gonna close this up. Hang on, and lock it. Closed and locked. So I'm gonna push this button, and I'm gonna push that button, and let's see what happens. Oh gosh, smells so good. Yum. Almond milk is over here frothing away. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Yum. Good thing I got a big cup. Hopefully it's big enough. There we go. Okay. That's done. And they say to fold the crema in. Oh my god, look at that! It's so delicious. Have you tasted it? It looks so delicious. Oh, and our milk is ready. I don't know. I'm beside myself. I'm gonna do a little taste of the crema. Ooh. Yum. Yum. Okay, now take this off. Let's take a look at what this looks like. Beautiful. All right, let's see what happens here. Don't want to overflow, but interesting. Okay, now it's not a fancy design, but still very, very nice.
This. Okay.
Why is it dark? That's what it's green.
Yeah. Let's pull up just a little bit. See that's it. Yeah, wait.
It still has a sound, but it's not.
Show me your finger. nothing.
No, it's not hot.
It's really cold. You stick your finger in it, there's nothing.
What happened to it? Oh my God.
The machine knows what size you put in it, so all you have to do is press start and it makes the right size. It's amazing. And all these are delicious.